Hello world. Today is Thursday, April 3rd, 2025. It is 10:15 a.m. and this is another vlog, 10-minute public journal talking about what is top of mind. I am in beautiful Saigon and there's my desk table. A beautiful view out there. This condo. So I am an indie hacker entrepreneur, developer, techie, into VR, crypto, AI. So that's a bit of an intro like that I do every once in a while. Like I created like a mission statement, and my mission statement is building AI apps to make the world push humanity forward. So I believe in documenting my life through vlogs, and I believe in using technology to create art, to express yourself, to communicate. So I am recovering from an ankle injury. Today is day 4 of recovery. So I'm taking a moment, like, just soak it in. I have some ice on here and have it elevated here on this chair. So now let's talk about what is top of mind. I've been really looking into being a content creator and how this is actually done through progression, through how I can take steps to see progress in terms of content creation, how to have this kind of direction, personal brand around certain topics, and document this journey. So this means like it's very important to be writing. Like I do journaling, and to like teach what you learn. So creating like tutorials on what I learned, and about like having a balance between like what is your authentic, like real perspective that's like human and valuable, and a balance of like real practical insights about skills or techniques, and balance between content that is like informative and content that is like opinion. Both have a place. So today I'm spending another day building Ava Creator. It's an app that turns your photos into anime images, and I'm building this with React Native, using React Native. There's a mobile app and a server with SQLite database. So right now I have the image generation working very well, and I'm working on so I have the authentication. Now I'm working on like getting it onto like a test flight and getting it ready to be shipped out to the App Store, and then the Android, and then the web, and have integrated with subscriptions through Revenue Cat. So I've been looking through some of my older vlogs, and like I'm amazed so I spent like December, January, February doing Manifestly, which is like an all-in-one AI app, and that did not take off, but there was some learning lessons there. The learning takeaways were like this, like I felt some like moments of like, this is amazing, this is magic. Like had all these features, like okay, it had a calorie tracker, it had a YouTube summary. So like just recognizing that, hey, I can actually just build this and like it works. Like YouTube summary, it has like AI characters that you have personalities, and has like a if video, like a digital twin. You can create a digital twin and ask them questions and have a video response of yourself in the future. Like I just like being aware that this, okay, I can actually like build this, and like taking a step back and being like, okay, I actually did this, and now what's okay, it was not perfect, it didn't really take off, but I have shipped a product that is on the App Store and that works. Okay, so there's some lessons there, and like the important thing is to learn lessons, to build momentum, recognize and celebrate wins, small wins, and stack them up, and they will compound. And then the next, and it's okay if it didn't work. Like I have a web app for this, and has the login, it has a lot of these features, and then I created also like an Instagram page for this and created content for this. So the reach was like limited, but still, like, you know, it's important to like recognize that, okay, I had this success of like, I had an Instagram page, and then I had posted for like a couple of weeks regularly, and had reached like a couple thousand people. So that's like significant. Now, like, the important thing is to not like just give up and change direction completely. The important thing is to have the same goal, and okay, maybe try something different. And okay, it's okay to start from scratch. You don't have to just keep building on the same thing. Like you can start from scratch. And so now I'm like created a new brand, Ava Creator, and focusing on turning images into anime. So that's very good, you know, and build momentum. So the next thing, so like ship this, and then, you know, try to get more, try to do it a little bit better. And now the lesson is like, okay, reduce the scope. It's just like one feature, put it out there on Android, iOS, and web. Market it. Do some social media. Do TikTok, Instagram, and other channels, Twitter, X, and then see what kind of, and then move on to the next thing, and then do something else. Like do a video clipping app. Do a AI content UGC app. So the real important thing is to like coach yourself, third person yourself, coach yourself, and make a little progress, a little step forward. But the important thing is just that you don't just like start. You don't just like keep banging your head against the wall, but you recognize that, okay, this was good, this was bad, but preserve your energy, preserve your force to live another day, to fight another battle, and then as long as you can just survive another day and fight another battle the next day, you're going to win. So in your mind, imagine that the future, and have that vision of the future, because you can get there. And as long as you survive, you don't have to win the war today, but to survive to fight another day. So ending it here, thank you for listening, and sending out good thoughts and vibrations to the world, and peace and love to the listener, and